everyone. We are here at Automation Expo and we have with us Mr. Sameer Gandhi from Omron Automation. So, sir, can you please tell me the new innovations that you have displayed here for this year's Automation Expo?
Well, actually, from our point of view, what we would like to do, what we want to do is deliver solutions to real world challenges for our customers. So it's not so much about products, but it's about solutions. And the innovative solutions that we have brought out or we are showcasing this year are actually reading at high speeds, detecting scratches at high speeds using AI on the edge, and also flying trigger, where we are able to read multiple objects, detect the defects in multiple objects without actually stopping the camera. So we're able to build solutions which help our customers save time up to 50%, save teaching time to by about 80%. And besides this, of course, we have some other solutions for our logistics industries, where we can read barcodes at varying distances without shifting the camera. So that really helps deliver packages to all of us on time at the right address. You know, sometimes you order a t-shirt or sometimes you order a big jar of oil. So everything has to be read by the barcode readers. So that's happening seamlessly here. Just right behind me is predictive maintenance. So again, the big challenge in the industry is, when should I maintain my motor, or when should I, how can I take stop unscheduled downtime? And that predictive maintenance solutions that we have for motors, for panels, these are actually helping the industry increase their uptime. And then, of course, we have the palletization system, and then we have a traceability solution as well.
And, sir, what are these solutions? Like, what industries are these solutions focused for?
So the solutions that we are showcasing here are actually targeted on F&B industry, on pharmaceutical industry, logistics, packaging, and also, of course, infrastructure industry.
And what new automation solutions have been added to these products?
So the automation that we are showcasing is the AI on the vision systems. And of course, all of these solutions that we have built utilize, of course, on the outside, they are a vision based solution, but they are utilizing our integration of our PLCs, our servo drives, and of course our vision systems and our safety components to build a comprehensive solution for our customers.
Since Omron is known for the robotics and automation, we are seeing that we are having a lot of comparison with China. But as we all know, we are like far behind what China is doing. So what do you think are the major challenges that India is facing? And how can we cope up?
That's an interesting question, and it's more about deployment. Yeah. And I think my answer needs to be not specific from the point of view of Omron, but overall as Indian industry point of view, if I was to say that. I think the deployment question, really, if we have to address this, we have to look at the last mile issue. In my opinion, or my experience, is the last mile issue is about, okay, the product is there, the robots are there, the use case is there. These are working, the robots or the cobots, whichever organization we talk about. There are enough use cases for the challenges that the industry is facing today in India. Building a solution using these robots and cobots is a challenge that is, I call, the last mile challenge. That is typically done by system integrators. Somebody needs to go to the customer's shop floor, really understand the issue at hand, look at what can be done in terms of building, making the right gripper, designing the entire mechatronics, then utilizing the robot for it, plus building the solution using PLCs, using vision systems, using sensors, smart sensors, all of that. So I think that's the puzzle that needs to be solved every time on the ground level, because no two systems are going to be the same. It's very difficult to replicate. And so what we are doing at Omron is a small part to this is, our solutions are integrated. So because we can supply vision systems, robots and cobots and PLCs and safety, all of this and sensors and everything can be integrated. So that's one piece of the puzzle solved. The second piece is understanding the customer's challenge and then building a solution tailored to that. And for that, what we are doing is we have our own application team. Besides, we are developing our solution partners. We are training and developing them so they can actually deliver the solutions on the ground.
And sir, we can see that even sustainability is your focus. So can you tell how are you maintaining sustainability at your own manufacturing plant? And how can your customers benefit from it?
So very simply for us, sustainability is a ground up. It's of course, as we understand, it's about, reducing the energy consumption, reducing discharge. And that essentially means that we need to have the right automation in place, and so that our efficiencies are high, our productivity is high, our waste is reduced. And this also helps to our customers. So to give you a very typical example, our automation goes into a lot of packaging machines. And when these packaging machines, we all buy packed food, and we all want our food to be, the packs to be properly sealed. So every time this pack sealing doesn't happen, that product is a waste. And that's there's a lot of material waste. The product that was filled in is thrown away, the material is thrown away, and of course the energy waste is there. So it is contributing to waste. One of our Omron solutions is about perfect sealing. So it helps to actually improve the sealing of the packs at very high speeds. And by doing so, we are actually helping reduce the waste by our customers, by not our customers, but the users of those machines, which is the people who are actually packing the food. So that's the kind of thing that we are doing in Omron. So it's not just about sustainability in our own manufacturing operations, but it's also about how can we help our users to become more sustainable.
And so, can you tell me your vision for the Indian market?
My vision for the Indian market is very simple. I would like it to really, I would focus myself on the manufacturing. Let me be very clear about it. For me, the manufacturing sector in India, I would really like it to contribute to about 25% of the GDP, which is India's goal. And I would like it to really be able to produce the best in class at the right price as compared to any global brand.